Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of opening and verifying an Exness trading account. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you get started with Exness in no time. So without wasting so much of your time, let's dive right in. If this is your first time watching our video, do ensure you like and subscribe this channel for more informative videos like this. To begin, head over to the Exness website. You can find the link in the description of this video below. Once you are on the website, locate the Open an Account button. Click on it to initiate the account opening process by following this step-by-step video. You will now be directed to the account registration page. Here you will need to provide some personal information such as your name, email address, and preferred account currency. It is important to ensure that the information you provide here is accurate and up to date. After completing the registration form, you will be prompted to choose the trading account type that suits your need. Once you have chosen your account type, it is time to verify your account. Account verification is a crucial step to ensure the security and compliance of your trading activities. Exness typically requires you to provide proof of identity and address. This can be done by uploading scanned copies or photos of the required document, such as your passport or driver license, and also utility bill or bank statement. After submitting your verification document, the Exness team will review and process your request. This may take a short period of time, so you may need to be patient. In the meantime, make sure to check your email regularly for updates or requests for additional information. Once your account verification is approved, you will receive confirmation from Exness. This means you are now ready to start trading. You can log into your Exness trading account using the credential provided during the registration process. And there you have it. You have successfully opened and verified your Exness trading account. Now you can explore the platform and fund your account and start trading in the financial market. Remember to always practice responsible trading and familiarize yourself with the platform features and risk management tools. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumb up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative content like this. If you have any question or need for further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and I will be happy to help you out. Thank you for watching and happy trading with Exness.